Cooper Hunter 15,000 BTU PTAC package terminal air conditioner and heat pump offers an impressive cooling capacity. I have provided the link to this air conditioner in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Designed for both residential and commercial settings, this unit delivers reliable heating and cooling with energy-efficient technology using the environmentally friendly R-32 refrigerant to minimize its impact on the environment. The PTAC system operates quietly at just 52.5 decibels, ensuring a comfortable environment without distracting noise. This model includes a wireless smart kit and remote control, making it easy to operate and adjust settings from anywhere within range. Whether you prefer manual control via the digital push-button panel or the convenience of your smartphone, this air conditioner adapts to your needs. With a seasonal energy efficiency ratio SEER of 20, it offers efficient performance, which helps reduce electricity bills while maintaining optimal comfort. Its compact dimensions, 21 inches deep, 42 inches wide, and 16 inches high, allow for easy installation in standard wall sleeves, though these sleeves and exterior grills are sold separately. The unit runs on 230 volts with a 20-amp power plug featuring a reset breaker for added safety. Due to its size and weight, the product ships via freight delivery and will be dropped off at the nearest accessible location outside your home, with the carrier coordinating delivery to ensure a smooth process. Overall, this Cooper Hunter PTAC unit stands out for its combination of powerful heating and cooling, smart control features, and energy efficiency, making it an excellent choice for hotels, apartments, or offices seeking reliable year-round climate management.